Hey guys! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rumela, and in today's video I'm going to do a fun challenge. You might have guessed it already from the title. It is having only liquid food for 24 hours. So आज पूरा दिन कुछ खाना नहीं है. We just have to drink, and I am so excited because I don't know. I'm just so excited because it's a challenge.
कुछ भी कुछ भी
Um, and the first thing that I'm going to go have right now is chai. Thank God chai comes under liquid food because I cannot legit live without drinking chai. I need to have chai first thing in the morning to get my system functioning, to get my brain functioning. So I'm going to go make some chai right now. It's 9 in the morning. So pehla chai pina hai, and then we'll head on to making some breakfast smoothie. But yeah, let's go have some chai. Inaya, say hi to my vlog. Hi. I was filming and Inaya came in. Say hi. She's in no mood to say hi. So yeah, let's go make some chai. So my beautiful cup of chai is ready, and I'm just going to enjoy this while I read some newspaper. I usually have eggs with tea for my breakfast, but since this is a liquid diet challenge, I'm not going to have anything. Hey guys, it's 10:30 right now. I'm going to go make some breakfast. थोड़ा late हो गया because Inaya has been throwing tantrums since morning and I have been losing my mind. But anyways, we are going to go make some spinach smoothie or palak smoothie. It is something that I absolutely love and used to have so much back in the days when I had this craze for eating healthy food and all of that. But now it's been a long time. I think it's been a year probably since I've had a spinach smoothie. So I'm so excited to go back and make it. So yeah, let's go and see how I make spinach smoothie. So these are all the ingredients that I need for my smoothie. Some spinach, then some coconut milk powder, some peanut butter, a few ice cubes, dates for sweetness, and one banana. So I'm just going to put all the ingredients into a blender jar and then blend it into a smooth paste. Now you can substitute the coconut milk powder for milk powder, milk, yogurt, whatever you like or have on that particular day. It really adds a nice creamy texture to the smoothie, and I personally love the flavor of coconut milk powder and coconut milk, so that is why I chose coconut milk. So yeah, I'm just going to blend everything into a very creamy smoothie. So I'm just going to plan my day, journal, and also listen to some podcast while I enjoy my spinach smoothie. This is such a good filling breakfast. If you are someone who's looking to have something liquid, then I would definitely suggest trying this one out. It is really nutritious and also filling at the same time. after I'm done planning and journaling, I usually listen to podcasts for 30 minutes, and the Ranveer Show on Spotify is my current favorite podcast to listen to. So it's at 12:30 right now. पुणे में बहुत गर्मी है. It's so hot. Like the heat is intense already. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है and मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यास भी लगी है. So I'm going to go make some jeera masala. I love having jeera masala. I like to have it with soda, but अभी तो soda नहीं है. So I'm going to have it with some cold water. I have the jeera masala mix already from Mapro. So just going to add it to some cold water. I'm going to sip on that until lunchtime. This is so good, so refreshing. It's very, very refreshing, especially during the afternoon when you're really, really tired. Obviously, this does have sugar in it. बहुत ज़्यादा sugar है इसमें. But you just have to add a little bit. मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा add कर लिया था, so it was very sweet. And then I had to go ahead and add a little bit more water. So now this is a perfect sweet for my liking. I don't like my drinks to be very, very sweet, but this is very, very refreshing. You can add in a little bit of lemon if you like, but again, very, very refreshing. बहुत ही अच्छा. If you are someone who likes jeera masala drinks, then you will definitely love this. So I'm just going to chill on my phone and have this drink until it's time to have my lunch, and then yeah, I'll see you guys at lunchtime. Hey guys, it's 1:30 right now and I'm going to go make a quick soup for lunch. I'm going to make tomato soup. Inaya is sleeping right now, so I thought I'll make lunch abhi while she's sleeping, so that I can have it maybe by 2:30 something. So yeah, let's go make some creamy tomato soup. I am so excited. I love tomato soup, but I've never had a creamy tomato soup. So let's see how this one turns out. So these are all the ingredients that I've taken. Some onion, lots of tomato, garlic, some spices, tomato ketchup, then a little bit of fresh cream and olive oil, and also butter. So I'm just going to melt the olive oil and butter, and then I'm going to fry the garlic in it. I really like to fry my garlic until they're nice golden brown, so that the flavor is really nice and intense. And then I'm going to fry some onions until they're really nice soft golden brown, and then I'm going to add in the tomatoes and cook them until they are really soft. And then I'm going to add in the spices, tomato ketchup, and cook that as well. And then lastly I'm going to add the cream, cook this whole thing for like 15 to 20 minutes, and my soup is ready. For the masalas, I've just taken some red chili powder and some black pepper powder and half a chicken cube, and I've also added some salt and sugar to balance out all the flavors. And once the mixture has cooled a little bit, I'm just going to use a hand blender and blend all of this into a smooth, thick soup like consistency. So my soup is ready and I am going to enjoy this delicious bowl. Ooh, Inaya! Hi, Inaya! Hi! Inaya, say hi! Hi! Say hi! So Inaya has also joined me to have this soup, delicious bowl of soup. Hey, Inaya, no! You want to taste, Inaya? Say hi! Say hi, Inaya! Say hi. You want to taste? No. 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 So I'll just have my bowl of soup. No, Inaya. And let you guys know how it tastes. Inaya. No. It's delicious, but it's spicy. Oh my god, maza aa gaya. It's really spicy, but it's also really, really delicious. I even gave it to my mom. She also found it really delicious. Hmm? You want to taste it, Inaya? It's really spicy, so she's not going to like it that much. But yeah, I'm just going to enjoy my soup, and I'll see you guys in the evening. Oh. Hi guys! So it's 5:30 right now. I came out with Aisha to get some work done. थोड़ा काम था, so we just got that done, and I'm super hungry because afternoon में सिर्फ soup पिया था. So we are going to go have some kukka. So for those of you who don't know what kukka is, it is, you know, a thicker, creamier version of cold coffee. So if you haven't tried kukka and you live in Pune or Mumbai, then you should definitely try kukka. So yeah, I'm so excited. I love kukka. So yeah, let's go have kukka. Are you excited? Of course. It is also Rafsana's favorite drink. For those of you who know Rafsana and don't know Rafsana, she's my cousin and she loves kukka. And we do have kukka every time when she comes over. So yeah, I miss her right now.
Yes, of course. She's gonna kill us.
She's gonna kill us when she sees this video. But yeah,
100%.
let's go. Hi guys, so it's 8 p.m. right now. I am a little bit hungry. The kukka was quite heavy, like at that point पेट भर गया था एकदम. But now I am hungry because पूरा दिन कुछ solid खाया नहीं है. So I am hungry. I had this soup at home, the Nor Manchao soup. Now this is like an instant soup. You just have to add in hot water and have it. You don't have to boil it or anything. So 2 minutes में बन जाएगा and I'm hungry and I'm lazy as well. I don't feel like cooking anything abhi. So I'll have this as my pre-dinner snack. I haven't decided what I'll have for dinner as of yet. वो देखते हैं. Maybe around 10:30 when I'll be hungry, I'll have something at that time. But right now, let's go make some soup and have that. So I'm back in my room with the soup and it is so delicious. Like seriously, for 10 rupees, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. I'm in love with it. So I'm just going to enjoy my soup and see you guys at dinner. So it's at 10 p.m. right now. I'm going to go make some dinner for myself because I'm really hungry. आज पूरा दिन कुछ नहीं खाया है obviously, so I'm really really hungry. So I'm going to go make some masoor dal soup for myself and drinking some water to keep myself full until द सूप इज़ रेडी, क्योंकि जितना भूख लगा है पूरा दिन तो इतना पानी पी लिया, पानी पी पी के मैंने पेट भर लिया है आज. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to need for the soup: some garlic, onion, tomato, carrot and masoor dal. That is it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of spices, that is jeera masala, chili powder, salt. So just this same thing, just going to add some oil and then fry the garlic, and then I'm going to fry in the onions, the tomatoes, and lastly I'll add the carrot, masoor dal, and I'm going to put the pressure cooker on for 3 to 4 whistles, and my soup is going to be ready. So I am in my room with the soup. It's almost 10:30 right now. I think 11. Oh my god, it's 11:15. I had my last soup at I think 8:30. I'm 8:30. So yeah, I'm just having my dinner, late dinner today. So I'm just going to enjoy this delicious bowl of soup. I've already tasted it. It tastes delicious. And it wasn't a very difficult challenge, honestly. I had 6 liquid meals, which were all really, filling. The soup was filling, the smoothie was also filling, and so was the cold coffee, and so was the soup. So everything is filling. So you can live on liquid diet if you want to. It wasn't very difficult for me. I can definitely do it, but I cannot wait to have actual khana tomorrow, because I don't know, even though I am full, mera man nahi bhara hai, because I haven't had actual food. So that is the thing. Varna to my stomach is full, and I really enjoyed doing this challenge. I was so strict. I did not eat anything. Even though my sister was having dinner, there was palak paratha for dinner, which is something that I really like, but I did not taste it also. So yeah, I am so happy that I finally completed the challenge. So yeah, I'm just going to enjoy my soup. Really delicious. Want to give it a 10 on 10. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. The lemon on top, really adds a nice flavor to the soup. I absolutely love it. Maza aa gaya. So yeah, that is it for the video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments if you want me to make more such videos. I would definitely love to create more such videos for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.